Okay, if you want this fancy effect in your game, then bear with me. So I created a table which is basically a 3D plane with box collider so that our cards will not fall through the table. Now create a new script for the table. In that script we are going to see how our mouse projects itself on the table with respect to the camera perspective. In update function, create a new array that will hit every object that is under our mouse at the moment. Now we want to check if the object under our mouse is a table and save the interception point to the public variable. We will use that later. Don't forget to create a new layer called table and assign it to the table. Now add a new card. So I did it using a simple sprite hidden inside a game object. Now you might notice that during the development you might be lonely and depressed, so here's a tip on how to cope with that feeling. You're creating new worlds, so you might as well create some friends for yourself. You can also give them certain skills and effects, but like in a real card game, it will only work in your imagination. Now to move the card around, make sure it's inside the table game object and create a new script for the card. In that script we are going to take the mouse position from our board and make the card chase it. It means that when you drag the object with your mouse, it will fly to your cursor as fast as far it is from the cursor. Now when you see that it works, you probably want to add some new friends. And now let's add a float effect from the Hearthstone. It's actually a one-liner at this point. Just attach the rotation of the card to its velocity. To control the rotation magnitude, we can add angular drag to the rigid body. It will add some resistance to the card's desire to rotate demonically fast, and you're pretty much done. In the following episodes we're going to copy some of the Hearthstone mechanics and hopefully beat depression. Good job today.